Meet SkyResQ, the revolutionary disaster response drone with advanced self-assembly technology. From components to flight ready in moments, it's engineered for immediate action when time is critical. Our rapid response teams deploy from strategic mobile command centers, fully equipped to launch life-saving missions instantly. SkyResQ deploys in minutes with exceptional stability, maintaining precise control even in challenging weather conditions for swift emergency response. With a 5 grams payload capacity, SkyResQ delivers essential medical supplies, food, and emergency equipment directly to disaster zones. Where traditional vehicles can't reach, SkyResQ navigates through damaged infrastructure and hazardous terrain to access isolated disaster areas. Our precision winch system ensures safe, controlled delivery of vital supplies to those awaiting assistance. SkyResQ, delivering hope from above when every second counts.